The Vegetable Market Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a busy vegetable market. Every Saturday, people came to buy fresh vegetables. One sunny Saturday, a little girl named Mia went to the market with her mother. Mia loved vegetables. She liked the bright colors and the different shapes. At the market, she saw many vegetables. There were red tomatoes, green cucumbers, orange carrots, and yellow peppers. Mia smiled and said, "Look, Mom, I want to buy some vegetables." Her mother agreed. They walked from stall to stall. First, they stopped at the tomato stand. "These tomatoes are very juicy," said the seller. Mia picked a big red tomato. Next, they visited the carrot stall. "These carrots are crunchy and sweet," the seller said. Mia chose some orange carrots. Suddenly, Mia saw something funny. There was a tall man with a big hat. He was juggling potatoes. "Wow!" Mia laughed. The man smiled and said, "Would you like to try?" Mia took a potato and juggled it. She dropped it, and everyone laughed. After their fun, Mia and her mother finished shopping. They had tomatoes, carrots, and a special potato. On the way home, Mia said, "I love the vegetable market. It is so much fun." When they got home, they made a delicious vegetable soup together. Mia felt happy. She loved her adventure at the market and the tasty soup they made. From that day on, Mia always wanted to visit the vegetable market every week.